Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It is Friday, March 3, 2023. Jupiter and Venus right next to each other. The full moon window is open, and yes, since I was asked to do that interview for Bloomberg and everybody said, no, don't do it, I'm going to go ahead and toot my own horn because, yep, here we go. And this is why they wanted to do the interview, was because they wanted to know about zero DTE options. Threw it out there for you yesterday as we started the morning saying we're looking for 39.70, 30.80. We're looking for 39.70, 30.80. A couple of minutes before this post, said it again, and then threw it out there in the main chat room. 39.70 calls are 220. 39.80 calls are 80 cents. Math says Lotto 39.70, not the 39.80s. So 220, 2040, could have got 827% if you timed it perfectly like a prison shower. Bottom line, closed at 1070. Easy 100, 200% on anybody who made that trade. Sent out that email yesterday morning, April 6th, 410 plus calls, window shopping time. Throughout all of your lines, all of your spots, where your stuff is closed at. Because we had that big gap down, we needed to see where everything was. And because of where everything was, gapping down way down here, why go with the 410s when, like I posted there in the chat room prior to the open, 407 is your gap. So you got at least 35% on that trade in a day. And you're going to get more today because we are going to 40.20. I'm putting it out there. I'll put my neck out on the chopping board. Anybody want to file a case? Go ahead. Going to 40.20 today. Going to 40.20 today. Going to 401.50. Up into that zone. That's where we're headed for today. Everybody knows this better than they know how to take a shower in the dark. 40.20 is the top of the ping pong. You get up there, you get out of whatever you got, and you go and have a fantastic weekend, and you don't start asking questions about, should I buy puts? You go have a good weekend, you go outside, you see the fresh air, you go play with a kitten, play with a puppy. VIX, down below the 50-day, below the 20-day, below the 5-day, below the 10-day, below the 100-day, below the 400-day, below the 200-day, and headed for that August low, April low, and that big 1811. That's the directionality that we're heading for here on the VIX, which is going to allow for that SPY 401.50, allow for that SPX 40.20. Now, again, because this is 3 consecutive red weekly candles, and we have another red week if we close below that 39.92.36. This is why I shared at the very beginning of the week what we were looking for that trade of the week. Oh, sorry, yesterday in the spread room. Like I said prior to the open, I like this. I like this a lot. It's paying good. I'm going to go ahead and take the 39.50, 39.45 spread. I'm only going to take a few contracts, $3. As you all know, we closed at 39.81.35, so full credit here. $3 on $2 risk. That is a, to do the math, 150% return on your spread. Red weeks. You have three. I'm coming over here off the 2018 highs, okay? So I can go back 20 years if you want me to. I got no problem doing that. 3 year, three. You had 5 during COVID. 3. You had 7 over here in that big drop off of the March high. 3. We had 4 here in December, where 2 of them were dojis. One was 8 points and one was 3 points. And here we are working on a 4th. So again, that is the reason why I was very, very confident in throwing it out when we finally got that dip, that yes, right here, this is now the time to take the trade of the week. Trade of the week being buy the 39.85 puts, sell the 39.90 puts, looking for a close today above 39.90. We get a close above 39.90. You're looking at a 300% return on that trade. There was a message posted in the chat room, which was the most intelligent message I had read all week. Sold half of the position, covered the cost on the risk that he has on the rest of the position. Everything that takes place from here into the close, if it does close above 39.90 or it doesn't, it's risk-free, 0 risk involved. Love you guys. Have a great weekend. We are definitely looking to have a good day. But again, do not forget 40-20 is your ping pong. I will bring you back here into a more zoomed in version so you can see your gap down from the prior week. 40-20, 40-20, almost 40-20. And we've been down here under the ping pong table for 2 sessions until we broke out yesterday. So 40-20 is where our upside target is for today. If we do get up to 40-20, please don't start asking if we're going to get to 40-30, if we're going to get to 40-40. You got a lot of meat on the table here. If you don't know how to move your stops up, I can send you the instruction manual on how to go and search it for whatever trading platform you have. You can capture a little bit more if you need to, but most importantly, go be a human being, get away from your computer screen, and enjoy the weekend. We've made fantastic money all week. Love every one of you, but you, I love the most. Have a great weekend. See you guys over.
Hi, I'm Jose Canseco, and I want to talk to you. So call 1-900-234-JOSE. I'll give you the latest scoop on baseball and my personal life. If you want to know if I use steroids, how fast I drive, or about why I was carrying that gun, call 1-900-234-JOSE.